Have you ever wondered what truly happens when SARS-CoV-2 enters your body? This microscopic invader, a member of the coronavirus family, is named for the crown-like spikes on its surface. These spikes are crucial. They act like molecular keys, allowing the virus to unlock and fuse with your cell membranes. Once attached, the virus releases its genetic blueprint directly inside your host cell. This viral material then begins its insidious takeover. Unlike many viruses, SARS-CoV-2 doesn't head for the cell's nucleus. Instead, it immediately hijacks your cell's protein factories known as ribosomes. Here, the viral RNA is translated into all the proteins needed to build countless new virus particles. These newly formed proteins then assemble just beneath the cell membrane. They bud off, creating new infectious viral copies ready to spread. Each new virus particle then goes on to infect neighboring cells, rapidly multiplying the threat. The primary way SARS-CoV-2 spreads is through respiratory droplets. When an infected person breathes, speaks, coughs, or sneezes, they release these tiny particles into the air. These droplets carry the virus. If these virus-laden droplets reach your nose, mouth, or eyes, the virus can then slip into your respiratory tract. From there, it begins its search for cells to infect, initiating the process we just described. Under normal conditions, your airways are well protected. They are lined with mucus and tiny hairs called cilia, which work together to trap and sweep away pathogens. Immune cells also patrol the lungs' air sacs, called alveoli, ready to destroy invaders. However, when SARS-CoV-2 multiplies too quickly, it overwhelms these natural defenses. This triggers a strong inflammatory response within your lungs. Fluids begin to leak into the air sacs, making it incredibly difficult to breathe. This condition is known as pneumonia, and it can affect one lung lobe or spread throughout both. If the inflammation becomes extreme, oxygen levels in your blood can drop dangerously low. At this point, you may require a ventilator to assist with breathing. Certain factors significantly increase this risk. Age, pre-existing lung conditions, or a weakened immune system can make individuals more vulnerable to severe complications. The body's fight against the virus can become a critical battle for survival. Vaccines are a powerful tool in this fight. They introduce your body to harmless pieces of the virus, often just the spike protein. This allows your immune cells to learn to recognize and remember this specific viral signature. When the real virus appears later, your immune system is prepared. Antibodies latch onto those viral spikes, blocking the virus from entering your cells. This also rallies other immune cells to neutralize the threat, preventing widespread infection. Historically, vaccine development has been a lengthy process, often taking many years. For SARS-CoV-2, researchers leveraged decades of prior studies on other coronaviruses. This accelerated the timeline significantly. The goal was to move from discovery to clinical trials and potential approval in under 2 years. Throughout this rapid development, rigorous safety and efficacy testing remained absolutely critical at every stage. While we continue the global effort towards widespread vaccination, proven protective measures remain our best defense. Social distancing, consistent mask wearing, and frequent hand washing for at least 20 seconds are vital. Staying home whenever possible also significantly reduces transmission. These simple, collective actions help protect not only ourselves, but also the most vulnerable members of our communities. Want to learn more about medicine and health? Then consider subscribing to DrLi channel.